Hey guys, welcome back at my channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to make slime. Now I'm not sure of how to make slime, but I'm gonna try to do different ways to do slime. Now again, I do not know how to do slime, but let's try it out. So what about 1 cup of baking soda? We've used this a lot in the previous videos. Yeah. I'm gonna add a bit more baking soda, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna add it in, and then I'm gonna add some liquid soap. So I'm not sure if this will work, but after just copy me, okay? I know this might look a bit weird, but it's useful. So we've done that part. So we're just gonna get the soap out. Now all you're gonna do is gonna be a bit disgusting, but I mean, if you like slime as much as I do, you will do it. Now that I think about it, it's obvious that this will not work. It's just baking soda with soap. Look at my hands, it's pretty disgusting. So let's add some green glue, some blue, and some red. Why not? I want to get some glue. Let's see if this helps. Also, I clean my hands if you wonder. So, it's really hard. Just this glue is super hard. It's starting to look like real slime. Look when I push it. So I put my slime in a plastic bag, and now it's perfect to play with. Wait, where's the bag? Then I put my slime in. Wait, there it is. So I put my slime in it, and this is exactly how you can play with it. I recommend this should be like some kind of a squishy, but it's not. It's slime. And if you like this video, just don't forget to like the video, of course, and subscribe, or else I will do something bad to you, like put the soap in your house everywhere.